So this is my Charles Daly semi-automatic shotgun, and the issue on this one is the shell is not ejecting, and also the gun goes jam so many times. Tried again and again and again, but it's the same thing. Why we have to reset it every time? Shell did not come out again. We reset again. Didn't come out again. Nowadays, the problem here, the shell, it doesn't come out automatically. This is semi-auto. It's supposed to come out. When I'm putting the 7.5 shell, I have to eject it. And sometimes the shell from underneath the tube try to go in, and I'm trying to put it out, it's stuck. But in case of slug, a little different, because I put the one slug, it came out, ejected automatically. And I'm gonna put 4, actually it takes 5, so I'm gonna put all 5 slugs and shoot that metal thingy and see if it ejects automatically. Keep rolling. Okay. Why? This is a live shell. It didn't work. What seems to be the problem here? Wait. Okay. See, the live shell didn't go. Okay. Let's see now. Shell ejected, right? Yeah. See? Jam again. This is the live shell. This is the live shell. Came out. See, it ejects, but it did not load the shell onto the chamber. Not sure what seems to be the problem here. See? Now it's loaded, but this is not supposed to be. And this is first time I'm shooting this one. This is not the way the shotgun, the semi-automatic shotgun should work. Don't like it.